Transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary in just a few taps with CapCut's incredible templates. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of CapCut's ready-made templates to create stunning video edits faster than ever before. First, open your CapCut application right here on the main creative interface. You'll see a prominent button labeled Templates. This is your gateway to a world of predestined video magic. Tap on Templates, and you'll be greeted by an extensive library. CapCut organizes these amazing templates into various categories like trending, love, travel, vlog, and many more. You can scroll through these categories to find inspiration. Or if you have a specific style in mind, use the search bar at the top to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Once you spot a template that catches your eye and fits your project, simply tap on it. CapCut will give you a preview of what the template looks like and how it functions. If you're happy with it, look for the Use Template button, usually located at the bottom or side of the screen, and give it a tap. Now, CapCut will guide you to the next crucial step, adding your own media. You'll see placeholders within the template, indicating where your photos or video clips should go. Tap on these placeholders, and CapCut will open your device's media gallery, allowing you to select the pictures and videos you want to use. Just choose your desired media. And just like that, your chosen media will be automatically integrated into the template, applying all the predestined effects, transitions, and music. You'll see your video come to life instantly within the CapCut editing timeline. You can then review your creation. If you're completely satisfied with how your video looks, you can proceed to export it. Look for the Export or Share button, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Tap it, choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and your stunning, professionally edited video will be ready to share with the world in no time.